Welcome to third lecture of Algebra for Success. In this segment, we're going to tackle a crucial concept in algebra, the order of operations. Think of it as your algebraic rulebook, ensuring your calculations are accurate and consistent. So, let's get started. The order of operations is a set of rules that tells us the sequence in which we should perform different operations when solving an algebraic expression. It ensures that mathematical expressions are evaluated consistently, no matter who's solving them. The acronym PEMDAS can help you remember the order: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition, and subtraction. The letter P stands for parentheses, which means perform operations inside parentheses first. For example, in the expression 3 plus 4, x2, you have the numbers inside the parentheses first, giving you 7x2. He stands for exponents, meaning after parentheses, evaluate expressions with exponents. For instance, in 2 caret 2, you calculate the exponent, which is 4. The letters MD stands for multiplication and division. Moving from left to right, perform multiplication and division. For example, in 6/2x3, you first divide 6 by 2 to get 3, and then multiply it by 3 to get 9. And the letters S stands for addition and subtraction. Lastly, again moving from left to right, perform addition and subtraction. For instance, in 5 plus 3 to 1, you add 5 and 3 to get 8, and then subtract 1 to get the final result of 7. Here are some tips to help you master the order of operations. 1. Follow the rules religiously. The order is not a suggestion, it's a rule. Always follow PEMDAS to avoid mistakes. 2. Use parentheses wisely. Parentheses allow you to control the order of operations. If you want something calculated first, put it in parentheses. 3. Practice gradually. Start with simple expressions and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. 4. Check your work. After solving an expression, double-check to ensure you follow the order of operations correctly. Let's look at some examples to reinforce these concepts. Example 1. Evaluate 3 plus 2, multiplied by 4 minus 5 powered by 2. Following PEMDAS, first we add 3 and 2 inside the parentheses, which equals 5. Then we multiply that by 4, giving 20. After that, we calculate 5 squared, which is 25. Finally, we subtract 25 from 20, resulting in minus 5. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 7, divided by 5 powered by 2. Following PEMDAS, let's work through example 2. We have 2 multiplied by the result of adding 3 and 7 inside the parentheses. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. Then we have 2 times 10. Now let's calculate 5 squared, which is 25. Finally, we divide the result of 2 times 10 by 25. This gives us the answer. So we first multiply 2 by 10, which equals 20. Then we divide 20 by 25. The final result is 20 divided by 25, which can be simplified to 4 divided by 5 or 4/5, which is 0.8. The order of operations is like a roadmap for your algebraic journey. By following these rules diligently and practicing regularly, you'll avoid common pitfalls and ensure your solutions are both accurate and consistent. In our next segment, we'll explore variables and expressions, a critical concept in algebra that takes us deeper into the world of solving equations. Until then, remember that following the order of operations is your key to success in algebra. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll be well on your way to acing your algebra class. See you in the next segment.